Hello, my name is Malcolm Monteith. I like to paint things, tell stories, and draw cartoons. Welcome to this course on how to draw cartoon robots. In this workshop, I'll be walking you step by step through my process to create 5 cartoon ducks and their robots. By the end of this workshop, you will have created the laundry bot, the fancy bot, the party bot, the Bunny RabBot, and the salad server. Weird. These characters will be created using a variety of pens and pencils, as well as the very popular paper. I'll first show you the sketch phase, where we design our robots using basic shapes. Then we move on to inking in the dominant lines with a thick pen, followed by adding in details with a thin pen. Finally, we'll add our color. So, if you have a weird insatiable desire to draw robots, enroll today and I will show you the methods to creating cartoon robots for you to share with the world. Hope to see you soon. Ciao!